everyone! It's our first time here at Costa del Sol. First time here! Tita Barla loving life! Yes! Welcome to my vlog! Subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya! Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay. Bagong ticket. Hi everyone! It's our first time here at Costa del Sol. First time here.
Sige, mag-review din lang sa susunod. Bisan unsa?
Yes, ma'am. So, cover inyo.
The resort has 200 pesos entrance fee, pero consumable siya. So, per person 200. Kumbaga, napilitan lang kami dito, pero na-enjoy namin. Medyo may pagka-pricey, but it's alright. Actually, today, Friday, is the Good Friday, kaya close ang buong mga establishment. Wala. Si Jollibee lang ang open, kaso punong-puno talaga. So, dito kami napadpad.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from.
Good evening everyone, this is Tita Barla. Welcome to my channel. Today is we're having dinner at Costa del Sol Resort Hotel. So nag-try lang kami kasi diba close ang mga tindahan.
From the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Hi! Where? Taksa ang kuan lang kanang taksa ang kanang hipon. Di na kani ako ngayon na kani sa ako
May pangutana? Pwede ba mong gata? May maintain ka na sila.
sige o ka na ba cortage ba o so standard manggod iso manggod na sa Manila pagka sila yung kaon ka o isda na
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed wanna do it all again. We wanna change.
Busog na. Busog na. Simot na. Simot. 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 Simot.
Wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be. Two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. Two hearts running wild. We're gonna be.
Living. Thank you so much everyone for watching. And thank you for the treat, sister and brother. O, diba? See you on my next vlog. Goodbye.